Induction kitchens are cooler kitchens because the units don't emit heat. The working environment is improved. Induction kitchens are cleaner kitchens. Food isn't cooked or seared to the cooktop. A simple wipe is often all it takes to clean the surface. Induction kitchens are greener kitchens. Greater energy efficiency through a precise method of heating food creates less load and strain on HVAC systems overall. Induction kitchens are beautiful kitchens. For theater cooking, Induction presents a modern design sure to impress guests. Look at this lineup at a leading college which is years old but still looks like new despite its daily high-volume use. Induction kitchens are smarter kitchens with unprecedented precision, power, and efficiency combined with high-performance workflow and kitchen design. Leading food service operations around the world have already made the switch to Garland Induction for their cooktops. They know there is simply no better technology for the heat on demand and cooking power they need with the efficiency a modern-day food service operation requires to be competitive and environmentally responsible. Induction by Garland is no sacrifice, no excuses cooking. The power you need, the efficiency your bottom line depends on, the flexibility to perform to even higher standards for even greater success, the durability the Garland brand represents. Induction.
Types of induction ranges for your food service needs based on light, medium, and heavy-duty usage. Induction cooking uses induction heating, reduces the chance of injury burn, and increases energy efficiency in the unit. Energy transfer only while cookware is put on the cooking plate equals maximum energy saving. Heat is generated in the bottom of the cookware and immediately directed into the food. This guarantees extremely high cooking speed. High effectiveness during parboiling and minimum power consumption during cooking reduces total energy consumption up to 30%. Precise controlling guarantees quick and focused heat input. As the induction cooking plate is only heated up by the heated cookware, the risk of scorching or burning of food residues is reduced. When the cookware is removed, the device switches automatically into the standby mode. The device detects whether suitable cookware is placed on the cooking plate. If not, no energy is transmitted. When operating the induction cooking plate with empty cookware, a temperature sensor turns off the heating function in case of overheating. Types of induction ranges for your food service needs based on light, medium, and heavy-duty usage. The Evanco IC 1800 countertop induction range is perfect for use in omelet stations, catering services, display cooking, and other light to medium-duty applications. A power level with 15 settings, with wattages from 500 to 1800. A temperature mode from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit with 10-degree increments. A stainless steel body. An easy-to-read digital display. A 175-minute timer with 5-minute increments. It automatically switches to standby mode when cookware is removed from surface. It accepts induction-ready pots or pans with a bottom diameter of 4 3/4 to 10 1/4 inches. Best results come from using cookware with a bottom diameter of 4 3/4 to 8 inches. It is ETL and CE listed, FCC compliant, 120 volt and 1800 watts. A cord and NEMA 515P plug are included.
Add a little stock.
Chance your food was prepared, cooked, or served with Volrath smallwares and food service equipment. In addition to their traditional gas and electric equipment options, Volraff's expanding line of induction products are heating up the food industry with more precise and energy-efficient cooking that's safer and faster.
Exact power setting each and every time, and we can control it by time as well. We have very repeatable results that anyone can achieve.
They built an entire training facility for food service professionals to provide a more hands-on experience.
As our business evolved, we recognized the need to have an industry-leading training facility. We wanted a space that customers could actually come in and touch and feel the products. Now a space that the customers or guests can go into and touch the product and really feel what we talked about in the training. And then again, the test area, coming in here and using that product, that's such a critical step for a lot of people.
Bye.